Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn before, between and after. Let's see what are they. Before and after. Look at the objects before and after are used to show their position. The cauliflower is before the apple. Yes, the cauliflower is before the apple. The tomato is after the apple. Yes, the tomato is after the apple. The potato is before the orange. Yes, the potato is before the orange. The carrot is after the orange. Yes, the carrot is after the orange. Let's see another one. Number 1 is before number 2. Yes, number 1 is before number 2. Let's see another. Number 3 is after number 2. Yes, number 3 is after number 2. So I want to give you this homework. You can do this if you have time. So let's see the examples here. Write the answers to the questions in the boxes. They are telling what comes before 10. What comes before 10? Yes, 9. What comes after 10? Think it. Yes, 11. What comes before 24? Yes, 23. What comes after 24? Think it. 25. Yes. What comes before 40? Yes, it comes 39. What comes after 40? Yes, 41. Let's move to between. Look at the objects in between is used to show their positions. The bottle is in between the basket and the mug. Yes, the bottle is between mug and basket. Yes. The pineapple is in between the two mangoes. Yes, the pineapple is between the two mangoes. Let's see another one. Number 6 is in between number 5 and number 7. Yes. Let's see. So I want to give you this homework. You can do this if you have time. What number comes in between 19, 20, 21? It's there. So what the between number here? Yes, 20. 32, 33 and 34. What is between number here? 33. Yes. What number comes in between the two numbers in each row? Fill in the blanks. So here what they are telling, fill the blanks here. So what comes between here? 19-21. So what comes here? 19 after 20. Yes, you should write there. 32-34. What you write here? 33. Yes, they are telling to find the between number. Yes or no? Now here also it's same. You can do this. Thank you. Bye.